Now the doctor fish, them 3 doctor fish there, and that one wenchman there. Wednesday I come on my friend birthday, so we are gonna make some soup, some fish tea. So the doctor fish and the wenchman are the ideal fish them for going at the fish tea. So them there for Wednesday, as well as we might go see tomorrow and Tuesday as well. See if we can get some more fish and thing. Yeah, but this is what I caught today, guys. Alright guys, so welcome back to Yard Style Fishing Adventure. Now today is Wednesday, and if you watch the previous video, you'll notice I told you it was my friend's birthday on Wednesday. So today is his birthday, and we're heading up to his place right now. We're gonna find a nice little spot, chill out spot where we can be secluded, away from everybody, and hold a vibe, cook some food and thing, and it's a go epic today, because you know when the whole will link up, the vibe just always right. Alright guys, so stay tuned for that adventure. Alright guys, so welcome. We're at the spot right now. We have the fire set up and we just going to get the ball a roll right now. So I'm going to show you what I go on so far, alright? Some of the guys here already. Yeah man, find a little spot. For that little house here, so guys, them prepare up the seasoning them and thing. Catch a view. Nice view guys, so stay tuned. Alright now peeps, so see we have some crayfish here, so we're going to boil some soup. Yeah. We also have some crab. We have a lot of seafood today guys. A lot of seafood today. Yeah. Over here we have some fish. That's the wench. The birthday you this, you know? Yeah. See, we have the soup pot on the fire already. Over to the left side over here, so we are going to roast some fish over there so as well. So everything nice, you know. We do want to peel off the yam. You can't put this in a pot all of myself. Yeah. See fish them are people. Yeah. Remember that one we kill in a river? Birthday style. Yeah man. There. Man. See that?
mean, it's a church piece of coconut now. You remember coconut?
Carrot.
True that. Yeah, Pete, so we have some crab on the grill I go and roast up.
No money, man.
All this one.
Every dog got that.
Yeah, everybody.
Wake up before time and then they catch him. When me go to do
Ah, yeah, them trying then I'm video, man.
kill me half
That
more.
cook our Turks.
I mean, I cook. Anyway, you're not seeing me.
Lies.
Yeah, man. Our ear up in here.
I just move you and see a black man.
One reason me going to container because now we put it in.
Story. Up top.
Video the crew. A video the movements.
Video the movement.
Yeah, see it there? The father come out, it's not the son that.
Yeah. Up and running again.
You know. The chip for the chop.
Yeah. Fight till I get you. Roll again. Pick and pop out. Sick of food I give.
See there? Cousin rat. How that? Bushy shit. Who this? Just join the gang. See there? Birthday boy.
Yeah.
That, you know. See chef there. Selector.
Check your jerk pan, you know. No jerk no in the pan, I just sauce a pan, I can't show you that yet. My pine tree will come from Africa. Oh, Egypt, sorry. Oh, Africa. See Africa one here. And see Egypt one smaller, you know.
Alright now peeps, see it yeah. Soup on the way. Them boy are going to be 2 crab leg in the meantime. See it there. See there now people flour if you go in the pot. See pot are going with things there now. Alright guys, see it there now. We have some fish I go and fry, some tuna and some mudfish that. So the one with the red meat are the tuna, the white meat over to the corner there. That are the mudfish. And them are the tuna. Alright guys, so some music started to play in the background, so you know I had to cut the audio from all these clips. So I'm gonna do a voiceover on this section, alright? Alright guys, so you can see the chef preparing the jerk chicken right there. Yeah. Yes guys, it's looking good so far. That's the jerk chicken right there. Now here the guys are wrapping some fish. We're gonna put them on the grill. Alright, so inside this fish you can find some butter and some seasoning that they made with onion, scallion, pepper and all of that. Alright, and okra. Yeah, so that's what they put in these fish. So we're wrapping them right now to put on the grill. Now guys, when wrapping them you gotta ensure that it's sealed properly so that the steam can build up inside and actually cook the fish properly. Alright, now guys, here's a run through of the entire stuffing and wrapping process. Alright, first we had a piece of butter inside the fish. Then next he's gonna add the seasoning that is made with onion, okra, pepper, Maggi seasoning, and grace noodle. Alright, yeah man. So here's the wrapping process guys. You get both ends even and you fold it. You can fold it a couple times, and when you fold it you don't want to fold it too close down to the fish or too tight. You gotta leave some space. Alright, whether on the long side or the short side, you have to leave some space so that steam can build up inside the foil and actually helps to cook the fish. Alright guys, so we actually putting that one on the grill right now, and when you put them on the grill and the steam builds up inside the foil will swell, and then we have to use like water. We just sprinkle some water over the foil and it goes right back down. Alright, so it won't burst. Alright, because the steam will swell the foil and it will burst if you don't wet it with water, as you will be doing right here. Alright guys, so that's the fried fish right there, fried tuna. That's the jerk chicken, looking pretty tasty. And guys, if you notice, we have a lot of leaves on the table. Those are some pepper elder leaves. Those help to get rid of the flies. Alright, so yeah, that's a Jamaican style right there. Alright guys, so by this time my camera was dead and I was the one who was doing most of the cooking, so I didn't get to take a lot of clips at the end, but it was a great day. We had fun. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you all for watching. I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks to all the persons who have subscribed since day one and still here. Guys, we ask you to stick and stay as we grow this channel right now. Share with your friends and families so we can get this channel to 1K subscribers. Alright, peace out guys, stay safe. Alright, and see you on the next one.